In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the Right Hunter Assassin app on your Android smartphone. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so for you to get the Right Hunter Assassin game app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for this Play Store app. So I'll go ahead and tap on Play Store, and here you can see we have a search bar where we can search for our app by name. But first, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account. If you can't see this search bar, then you should see a search icon down below. Tap on it and then search for the app. So I'll search Hunter Assassin. Here it is. So I'll go ahead and tap on it to see the details. Make sure it is from Rabby Games AS. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.4 with over 4 million reviews. Currently, the app has over 500 million downloads. By the time you're watching this, these details might have changed. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right app. Currently, the average file size is 112 MBs. To install it, tap on install here. And this will download the latest version of Hunter Assassin app, and then it will be installed on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and play from here, or you can go ahead to your apps, and from here you can tap on it to start playing. So that's how you can get the Right Hunter Assassin app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.